Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing great. So today I'm starting this vlog from Bhopal. So आपने जैसे पिछला vlog अगर देखा होगा तो I said that I was in Indore. So today morning not today morning, today afternoon around 12 o'clock I started my journey from Indore to Bhopal in a bus. So basically हुआ ये मॉर्निंग में मेरी 8 बजे आज मीटिंग थी तो आई वॉज रशिंग टूवर्ड्स हियर एंड देयर बिकॉज जैसे कि मैं उठी आई हैड टू मिस माई ब्रेकफास्ट बिकॉज आई गॉट अप लिटिल लेट। तो मतलब मेरे पास 1 घंटे थे रेडी वेडी होके मीटिंग के लिए पहुंचना था और मीटिंग के पहले कुछ प्रिपरेशंस करनी थी मुझे बिकॉज आई हैड अ प्रेजेंटेशन टू डिलीवर। तो बस यही सब चल रहा था एंड उसके बाद फिर मुझे याद है कि ओ शिट प्रणाली यू हैड टू व्लॉग ऑल्सो, तो मैं वो भूल गई। उसके बाद फिर मेरी जैसे ही मीटिंग ख़त्म हुई बिना किसी लंच ब्रेक के हम तुरंत मतलब मैं और मेरा एक कलीग हम दोनों साथ में एक बस स्टॉप पे गए। मतलब पता नहीं क्योंकि आई एम डूइंग दिस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम तो आई जस्ट टैग्ड अलॉन्ग विथ हिम सो ही न्यू कि हम बस से जा सकते हैं। तो फिर वही हम दोनों गए एक जगह पे, वहाँ पे से हमने बस की टिकट्स करवाई विच इज़ अ वॉल्वो बस। तो वो बस में मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस था बिकॉज आई नेवर ट्रैवल्ड बिफोर इन अ बस फॉर अ लॉन्गर डिस्टेंस। तो कुछ 12 साढ़े 12 बजे बस चली है और हम 4:30 बजे भोपाल के जो उनका कोई बस स्टॉप था वहाँ पे उन्होंने हमें ड्रॉप किया। फिर वहाँ से हमने कैब करके मुझे एक मीटिंग के लिए जाना था, उस लोकेशन पे हम गए एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दैट मीटिंग नाउ करेंटली इट इज़ 7 o'clock in the evening when I'm vlogging this. Somebody is calling him, sorry. सो येस आफ्टर दैट जैसे अभी 7 बजा तो मैंने ये सारी मीटिंग ख़त्म करके हम अभी चेक इन किए। सो आई एम staying at this beautiful property here in Bhopal by F Hotel, by Sayaji. So it's a pretty place. However, it was raining outside, so I couldn't show you the ambience. और maybe I'll try to vlog it tomorrow. But again, कल का schedule ऐसे होने वाला है कि I'll be waking up, I'll be heading for the meetings here in Bhopal. मेरे कुछ 2-3 मीटिंग्स है जिसके लिए मुझे कुछ प्रेपरेशंस करना है तो मैं अभी बैठकर थोड़ा सा काम निपटाऊंगी। उसके बाद फिर वही है, कल मॉर्निंग में उठना है, ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, मीटिंग के लिए जाना है, 2-3 मीटिंग्स है वो कंप्लीट करूँगी। फिर वहीं से मैं डायरेक्टली भोपाल एयरपोर्ट जाऊँगी एंड देन आई हैव अ फ्लाइट टू कैच फॉर मुंबई इन द इवनिंग एंड देन या दैट्स हाउ आई take you guys along with me and keep you posted. So yeah, with this I'll show you my hotel room and or what I'll do is first I think I've shot a few clips in the bus, so I'll take you through there and yeah, then you just be there and watch the vlog. Got packaged water. This feels I'm traveling in a Vande Bharat. I don't know whether they're going to provide us any food as such. Guys, not water, but they've also given me a cookie. Wow! Different to me, and it's my first time in Mumbai. The bus is pretty empty. They have this food tree as well. They have this charging phones. The Indore to Bhopal journey during the monsoon is absolutely magic. Endless greenery, fresh air, and peaceful landscapes were everywhere. This is why Madhya Pradesh truly feels like the heart of India, no doubt. And finally, we've reached Bhopal, which is the beautiful capital of Madhya Pradesh. It's often called the city of lakes, and honestly, the moment you enter the city, you can feel why. As you can see, Bhopal is perfectly, I think it's blended with nature, history, and modern life. On the way, we also passed by the famous Bhojtal Lake, which you can see at the right side in the video, which is also known as the Upper Lake. It's one of the oldest man-made lakes in India, believed to have been built by King Bhoj nearly 1,000 years ago. This massive lake is the lifeline of Bhopal, and it's the reason the city has such a fresh scenic vibe. So right now we are just passing through, so I could not capture it properly, but don't worry, on my return journey in the same video in the further clips I'll definitely show you Bhojtal in much more detail along with some beautiful views, so stay tuned. गौहर महल।
ये आंदोलन किधर चल रहा है?
अभी तो होशंगाबाद रोड पे चल रहा है सर।
अच्छा, बाकी इधर ज्यादा
नहीं यहाँ अपन झाझारा मानी है वहाँ के हम बुकिंग ही नहीं ले रहे सर। कल मैं 2.5 घंटे में निकला हूँ समझ लिए 2 किलोमीटर का।
तो वो एयरपोर्ट के रास्ते में नहीं आता है ना?
एयरपोर्ट के रास्ते
एयरपोर्ट तो पीछे निकल गया बोला।
एयरपोर्ट के पीछे छोड़ दिया।
After a long day of traveling, I finally checked into my stay by Sayaji in Bhopal, and honestly the room felt so warm and inviting. The interiors are elegant, everything is beautifully designed, and it's one of the rooms where you instantly feel relaxed. The best part though was the view. Right outside my window was a gorgeous green, I would say, a garden or a lawn, whatever you call, with a beautifully maintained garden. Everything looks so fresh because of the monsoon. I really wanted to step outside and enjoy it, but the rain had other plans. So for now, I'll just admire this peaceful view from my room. And sometimes slowing down and enjoying moments like this is also the best part of traveling. But ऐसे मैं कैसे कह सकती हूँ, ये सिर्फ कहने की बात है, because I had so much of work to finish, because again tomorrow I have to wake up and go for a meeting. Yes, and this is the next day. When I was having a breakfast, I thought of shooting a little bit of the ambience because it was raining outside and this was the time of checking out. So yes, I thought of let me take you out and show you how it looks. So this is the same view which I was showing you from my room's balcony. Not balcony, but a window. So yes, this is a small property by Sayaji. I think it's newly built, but yes, it was worth staying here. So the work is done and it's time to head back home. Right now I'm on my way to Raja Bhoj Airport in Bhopal. So as we pass this beautiful upper lake, also known as Bhojtal, and there it is, the grand statue of Raja Bhoj, the visionary Pramara king, after whom the airport is named. The statue stands as a tribute to his contribution to this city's history and the creation of this magnificent lake. Driving along this VIP road with a lake on one side, cool monsoon breeze, and this iconic view is truly a memorable experience. A few minutes later, we arrived at Raja Bhoj Airport. The terminal beautifully reflects the heritage of Madhya Pradesh. While waiting to collect my boarding pass and drop off my luggage, I noticed this replica inspired by Great Stupa of Sanchi, a wonderful reminder of the state's rich Buddhist history. And with that, it was time to board my flight back to Mumbai. I was so exhausted after the trip that I completely forgot to film an outro, so I'll end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed traveling through Indore and Bhopal with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care and keep exploring. Bye bye.